Hello friends and welcome to today's stock review. Right before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that you won't miss our releases in the future. I'm Troglodidi from Simple Trade. Today, I want to discuss with you the stock JPEX. The stock ran 400%. Let's see why. On the 6th of September, the stock was still under the stop sign, meaning it became untradeable in TD Ameritrade, something that caused it to fall on the 7th of September. The stock was upgraded to the limited tier on the 17th of September after filing the necessary filings. That is the reason for the significant rise that we can see on that day, which continued ever since. JPEX is one of the custodians led by Alpha Ridge Capital. As such, it is awaiting a merger and it is promised not to have a reverse split. On the 28th of September, Alpha Ridge tweeted that JPEX will be the first of its stocks to announce a merger, and it is now only awaiting the pink current status. Something that was also discussed and confirmed on the shareholder meeting 4 days ago. We can see that this announcement is what caused the significant rise that same day. A day after, the new official Twitter of the company JPEX, which opened for the merger purposes, stated as well that there will be no reverse split or dilution, and they have given hints as to the origin of the merger. They have secured a number of strategic partnerships, some of them with very big and known companies like Cisco, Microsoft, and many more. Moreover, if we look at the description, we get another verification that the merger will be announced right after JPEX will become pink current. Lastly, on the 16th of October, the necessary amended attorney letter was filed, leaving the company in the clear for becoming pink current. It is quite exciting what will become of the stock once the merger news hit. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have, make sure to subscribe and join our Discord community of Simple Trade. I'm Troglodidi and I wish you all a successful trading day.